Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new, fresh out of shrink wrap 2026 year model Harris Sunliner 230 with a 225 Mercury on it. All right, so 230 Sunliner model's brand new for this year, completely redesigned from previous Sunliners. This one was ordered with the flip over submersible swim seat, which you can see on the back of this boat back behind us. It also has one of the suites. So that's the seat in the flip down position. That's in the up position. New lily pad ladder, extra wide rungs, strap to lower it, strap to raise it. Rungs are about that wide, 6-step ladder, just works really, really well. Ski tow bar, flip-flop backrest, which is our most popular floor plan. And then new for this year is also this convertible seat that can flip down flat, can flip like this if you're using this as a rear-facing lounge, or now you can also use it as a former bench seat, which is great. Raised helm, Simrad screen, wet sounds stereo with subwoofer and amplifier, power bimini top, and new storage built in over here, which I'm a big fan of. So it's got place here to kick your shoes. You know, when you take your shoes off, you can stick them underneath. That way they stay out of the way, which is great. Drawer storage here, pull-out cooler storage here, and wraparound seating up front with an all-new see-through gate. That way you can see the front of the boat as you're pulling into the dock, and sloped backrest here, making it a lot more comfortable to sit facing backwards up in the bow of the boat. And then also flip forward storage to use as anchor lock or throw beach totes down there. So really, really nicely appointed boat. Looks great. I love the white and gray on this one. So if you have any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.